Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch SE 2nd generation, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. If you want to change the language on this watch, you will need to use the watch application on the iPhone that is paired with your watch. So let's open the application on our iPhone. In the application, scroll down, find the option called General and tap on it. And here you should see the option called Language and Region. Tap on it. And as you can see, we have two options: Mirror My iPhone and Custom. By default, the Mirror My iPhone is selected, and basically what it does, it will select the language or apply the language from your iPhone. So if you have English on your iPhone, you're gonna have English on your watch. But you can change it. You can tap on Custom. This should open the list of different languages, the preferred languages list. And here, as you can see, we have English, Polish, Spanish, English again, Russian, Spanish. By default, I think you will have only one language, my bad. But if you don't have the language you want to use on this list, you can tap on Add Language right here. And this will open the list of languages. You can find the language by scrolling through this list. For example, let's say I want to add a Deutsch, German. So I'm gonna tap on it to select it. And now we can select use German or use English UK. Basically, if you select use German, it will add the German to the list and automatically switch to this language, to German. But if you tap on use English, it's gonna add German to the list, to the preferred languages list, but it won't change it to German. So select the option you like. But if you want to change the language, tap on the first one. As you can see, German appeared right here, and the watch is changing the language to German. Like this. Now, let's say you have a couple of languages right here on the list, and you want to, for example, change from Deutsch to English. You can do it by grabbing the English language by pressing and holding on the sorting button, like this. Come on, like this. And then you can drag it to the top of the list. And once you drag it to the top of the list and release it, then tap on Continue, the language will change on your watch. Basically, whatever language is at the top of the list is gonna be applied on your watch. So if you want to change the language, drag it to the top and it should be applied. If you want to remove the languages from this list, you can tap on the Edit button and then tap on the minus button next to the language. For example, this one, then tap Delete to remove it. And once you're done, you can tap on Done and tap on Continue. Okay, you can also change the region and the calendar. So you can tap on region, and here you can select different regions if you want to. For example, let's select I don't know, South Africa. And you can change the language to the, for example, English South Africa, or whatever the region is. Basically, what language is prevalent in that region. Or you can just keep the language you selected and simply change the region, like that. Or you can also tap on calendar, and you can change between Gregorian, Japanese, and Buddhist, according to your liking. Okay. And once you're done, you can simply close the app. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.